Here at Dapper Lighting, we custom build headlights for our customers. One unique option that a customer can select is glass type. We have two styles, clear and OE. Our OE glass is designed with a clear center so it does not affect light output. The difference is simply aesthetics. Let's use the Chrome 575 as an example. This is a clear glass without a halo. This is a clear glass with a halo. This is OE glass without a halo, and this is OE glass with a halo. Remember, the glass type does not affect headlight or halo output, so choose the lens that best fits the look of your car. If you have more questions, reach out to us via email at support@dapperlighting.com or give us a call at 833-DAPPER1. Be sure to check out our other videos.